The next step to successfully use the global POS is to encode all items in the price list file. Click the price list button. For the item with barcode, scan the barcode of the product. Enter the description, the retail packing, the retail quantity, and the retail price. Press enter to save. For wholesale, click the Wholesale Price tab. Click the Edit button or press E. Enter the description, the wholesale packing, the wholesale quantity, and the wholesale price. Press enter to save. For the item without barcode, press F4 for autocode. Enter the description, the packing, the quantity, and the price. Press enter to save. The system offers multiple prices to allow the user to enter prices using other retail price and other wholesale price. After adding the item and retail price tab, click Add Retail Price tab to be able to enter other retail prices. Click the Edit button or press E. Enter the retail price 1, price 2, price 3, and price 4. Press enter to save. Click the Other Wholesale Price tab. Click the Edit button or press E. Enter the wholesale price 1, price 2, price 3, and price 4. Press enter to save. Click the Exit button or press X to go.